My name is Palmer Johnson. I'm a family law attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and today I'm going to talk about child support. And just from a very high level overview, what is child support, how is it figured, and who pays it? So child support is the obligation of one parent to pay the other parent for help in the cost of child raising. It is figured using guidelines that are released by the Department of Human Services on a standardized form where you plug in both parties' incomes, things like the cost of insurance, if there's a known cost for daycare, into this formula. Then you can look at the number of overnights that each party has once it reaches 121, and it will come out with a number, and that is the obligor's monthly child support payment. And the parties can also deviate from the guidelines by agreement and where the court makes a finding that it is in the child's best interest. I would always advise anyone who's the obligor that the child support order is the order until it is modified, meaning you should not modify the amount of child support by agreement or take the other party's word for it. If they tell you you don't have to pay, or it could be a lesser amount, at a minimum, you should get that in writing. But the truth is, if you really want to protect yourself, you need to get that in a court order. And you could end up with a very large arrearage if you do not protect yourself in that way. And if you are the party that's receiving child support, I would also advise you not to make side agreements and to deviate from the order that's in place without getting a new order. And that can typically even be done by agreement of the parties, but there should be an order in place that is being followed by both of the parties as it relates to child support.